Hello everyone, I'm Chito Vela. I'm one of the partners here at Walker Gates Vela, and I wanted to explain a little bit to our DACAs and to all the DACAs and potential DACAs out there what's going on right now. There was a ruling by a federal district court in Texas recently on the legality of DACA, and the judge did say that the program was not legal as being applied right now, and so that's causing some issues and problems. But I'm here to clarify things and to hopefully put you at ease. First of all, what you need to know: if you have DACA right now, or if you had it and it's expired, let's say you got it a couple of years ago and you haven't renewed, or let's say it just expired 3 months ago and you haven't renewed, this does not change anything. This ruling does not change anything for you. If you have DACA, you can hold on to DACA, you can renew DACA. The decision does not do anything at all to current DACA holders, even for people that have an expired DACA application. So you can still renew. Importantly, also, you can still advance parole, which advanced parole is something that will can help you become a legal permanent resident down the road. And it's a good idea. We recommend it for all our DACAs to go ahead and do an advanced parole if the opportunity arises, because that sets you up for hopefully becoming a legal permanent resident soon down the road. What is advanced parole? Just briefly, advanced parole is when someone like with a DACA, you get a permission to go to to leave the country for a family emergency, for a work-related visit, for a school-related visit, humanitarian reason, go to a funeral, those kinds of things like that. And some type of emergency or some type of required travel, you can request this permission to exit and then enter the country. Once you enter, you have then like a legal entry, and then that opens up potentially some doors to becoming a legal permanent resident. But so under the ruling, DACAs can still advance parole, which is important for a lot of people. If you already submitted a new DACA application, which I think the last numbers I saw, there were like 80,000 new DACA applications since the program reopened to new DACA applicants. We've had many that we've submitted as well. Just sit tight. Let's see what happens. The government's going to appeal this decision. So the court ruling did say no new, that you cannot grant new DACA benefits, new DACA applications. That's going to be appealed. Things could change very quickly. It's complicated, but if you already have an application, you already paid for it, you're just waiting for a decision, just sit tight. Let's check again in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and see where we are, what's going on. There are conflicting court decisions. There's a lot of I think, confusion surrounding the program. But let's just sit tight on that application. Don't withdraw it. Don't do anything. Just sit tight and let's see what happens. Now, if you are thinking about applying for DACA, if you just turned 15 or you just qualified for the program one way or another, then I would probably hold off right now. And again, let's see where we are 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. If they reopen the program, let's get those applications in. But right now, continue to get your application ready. I mean, get your paperwork ready, get all your proof of presence, all that stuff that you're going to need. But there's no rush to submit it right now. Let's just let things kind of settle, and then we can look again at submitting any new DACA applications. I'm so sorry again that everybody's going through this. As an attorney for many DACAs, I've been right there with my clients through all the ups and downs from 2012 until today, and there's been a lot of ups and downs. Thankfully, the program has survived. I mean, by the hair on its chinny chin a few times, just barely surviving, but it's hanging in there. We continue to advocate. I just, as an individual, however I can through social media, advocate for a permanent legal residency for DACAs. And there's some hope that maybe through this budget process that there might be able to get a DACA legalization basically bill, a DACA legal permanent residency bill through the U.S. Congress, and all that is happening, and who knows where we're going to be, come December. But like I said, if you're a current DACA holder, if you're you're fine. You're fine. This doesn't affect you right now. And there's many ways to fix this situation. It's just, let's just see what happens. Let's let the government agencies respond to the judge's ruling. Let's let the appeals courts look at this ruling. Same kind of thing that unfortunately we went through last time until we finally got to the Supreme Court, and which saved the DACA program. So we're kind of the beginning of potentially that situation again, but I think we're going to get a better outcome than last time, than waiting for the Supreme Court at the very end. I'm hoping there's some relief on the horizon for our DACAs who really deserve it. If you have questions, let us know. We're always taking appointments by phone. We've got in-person appointments starting back up too, but phone appointments are great. They're quick, they're easy, and saves a lot of time really for everybody. But we are taking in-person appointments as well, and always feel free to email us, to call us. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter. Walker Gates Vela, 512-633-1785 is our main phone number. info@walkergatesvela.com is the best email to just touch base with us. Good luck out there. Fingers crossed again. DACA survives, but you were going to have to deal with some issues that have come up thanks to this judge's ruling. And I will talk to y'all again soon. Hang in there.